Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna guide you through how to join a group on battle.net. First of all, open up the battle.net app on your mobile device or your desktop and sign in with your Blizzard account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and make sure that you're inside the social tab and then tap on the plus icon at the bottom right. In the pop-up, click on Join a Group. Now enter a group's URL or invite code in the text box on the next page. After typing in the code, click on Join Group. Soon after you do that, you can join into the group, and that's how you can easily join any group on battle.net quickly and safely. Just make sure that you have the correct invite link and you'll be good to go. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.